My beautiful viewers and subscribers, welcome back to my channel, and today in Granny's Kitchen I am making two very interesting recipes. One will be a breadfruit smoothie, and this also incorporates the banana, and the second one will be a breadfruit ice cream, and this also incorporates banana. And because I know that both these ingredients are in abundance in Portland, right, so I am particularly sharing this with the persons in Portland, as well as Colaz TV crew and Miss Little Hot Kitchen. I'm sure you'll find these recipes useful. Colaz, for one, is a very creative person, and Kunte, for another, enjoys his different type of drinks. And so this recipe is for everyone, but for those persons in Portland, I'm sure you're going to enjoy it. As I said, I know that you have breadfruit in abundance and also bananas in abundance. Those are the two crops that you mainly grow in Portland, right? So yeah, I want you to stick with me and to watch the process of me making these two recipes. So here I have some breadfruit that was previously cooked and refrigerated, and I'll use about 2 pegs of the breadfruit, and I'll also use these frozen bananas, which is 1.5 ripe bananas, and I'm going to put them in the blender, and I'm going to blend right now. I'm also going to blend it along with the juice of 1 lime. Here I have my lime juice previously prepared. This is Alright, so the next thing for me to do is to divide my 2 eggs. I have 2 eggs here, of which you'll see in the recipe. I'm going to separate the egg yolk from the whites. I'm doing this the old school way. We're taught in school. Make a little hole right here. Right. Same process for this one. So we were taught in school. Here we have our white, our yolk right here. Okay. So now I'm going to beat the egg whites, and I'm going to beat them very stiffly. And what I'm making here is the ice cream. Alright, so egg whites are beaten as to the standard that I need them to be. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to go over to my stove and I'm going to heat the milk, and you'll see the proportion in the recipe, the milk and the sugar together. And then I am going to be pouring that onto my beaten egg yolks. I'm going to stir that over the fire until the eggs thicken. But I am not going to allow it to boil. Alright, so stick around and watch the process as I move over to the stove and do that. Vanilla, a dash of salt or a pinch of salt. Now I'm blending everything together. Add in the egg whites. So after that blending, I have this creamy consistency and I am putting this into the refrigerator. I'll allow this to freeze for about 2 hours and then I'll go and give it a stir. And another 2 hours, I'm going to give it another stir because I don't want my ice cream to be icy. That's the word I'm looking for. Thank you. Right, I don't want my ice cream to be icy, so yeah. Here it is, so beautiful. But you have to keep this covered while in the refrigerator or in the freezer. Already, the ice cream is so delicious. And it's not yet frozen. Go ahead and try it. Go ahead and make it. Go ahead and enjoy. So I have this breadfruit and I'm going to use half of it to make the drink that I'll be making today. I hope this breadfruit is good. What? Hard to cut. Well, it's good enough.